Hello, winners. We are on our first lesson on the series called Profiting from the Great Reset. Profiting from the Great Reset. This is a trading course where I will be talking about certain things that are taking place in the financial markets in relation to the changes that are taking place in this world, the economic changes that are going to be taking place in this world and that are currently taking place right now. But we're not, a lot of us as traders, a lot of us as investors, we're not looking in the right places. So we're going to be covering subject matters ranging from CBDC to AI automation. Excuse the phone in the background. But we're going to be very intuitive, very busy, very understanding and wise when it comes to the new digital economy that we're currently in. Okay? We're going to look into areas of, high frequency trading, bots, how they move the market now. We're going to be looking at the trades and how they affect through the lens of the Forex Helper strategy. We will also be looking at different news reports. I'm going to be giving out different headlines that's pertaining to the subject matter that we're discussing. I'll try to keep the videos anywhere from like 10 to 12 minutes long. Now, this is probably not going to be a long one here because I'm just giving an introduction. If you want to get signals, they're available. I'm doing signals differently. I will have the written version of the financial market report, but it won't be signals as far as buy and sell. You'll be able to see the videos. I'll have video commentary. So if you want access to that, you could join us. Go to the website win.university and go ahead and sign up through our Substack. Everything's going to be going through Substack. A lot of the things that I'll be putting out there will be through Substack. So it's important to join and become an inner circle member. You could join for free as a winner circle member, as a win member. Just go to our Telegram. If you want to go to our Telegram, I will be opening up different rooms, but it's gonna be slowly doing that part because there's a book that I'm almost finished with. It's 80% done, and that's on a different subject matter. But then the Wise Online Investor ebook, that's gonna come out first. Then I'll have the hard copy, and I'm almost done with that as well. So there's going to be a lot of great information. I'm going to be putting my strategies in there. I have all the stuff that I've picked up over the 18 years of me doing this stuff, teaching these things. So think of that book as like a replacement of me. I know that sounds weird, but like if you can't get a hold of me, you have that book and you'll be able to have everything that I know that's in there. And there's a reason for that because I'm going to be going into like somewhat the political world, but not into like politics, like the social, helping folks out on the streets. I got to make kind of space for that. So I don't want to leave you win members, in the dark. So I want you all to have information from the knowledge that I've acquired and for as long as you are able to use it, because the time is ticking, guys. There's a lot of stuff that we're going to cover. We're going to cover, like I said, CBDC, programmable money, behavioral economics, all these different topics that you have to know as a wise investor now, because everything, everything done flipped the script. It's upside down. Everything's topsy-turvy. So if you don't know how to navigate through this digital economic environment, then it's not going to look too pretty for you. I'm just going to be honest. You're going to be out on the streets I know that's kind of a harsh thing to say. And I'm not trying to use no scare tactics. I don't have to do that. Just go on YouTube or TikTok and type down, AI disruption or AI job loss. I mean, the news is talking about it, right? A lot of folks get their news from the old legacy media. So they're talking about it. By the time old legacy media starts talking about what's going on in the economy, it's too late. It's too late. Okay, they're going to be putting, I'm giving you some of the stuff that's in this course that I'm going to be giving. The course is free. So you're going to be able to learn these things as a wise investor. All right. Now, some of the other courses that are going into more, in-depth topics that I can't put out there publicly. I mean, that's how deep this stuff goes. I have to put it behind a paywall, and that's by becoming a WIN member. Now, I'll have like a lower tier if you don't want the signals and you don't want to, if you don't want the signals and you don't want to be a part of that part of the WIN University online, then I'll have a section for just like those who want to learn from the educational standpoint without signals involved. Okay? Fundamental analysis. And that's going to be way cheaper. I'll be giving you fundamental analysis teachings from the perspective of the Forex Helper strategy. Looking at the news. It's mostly going to be news breakdowns, but I'll also have some topics that are going to be dealing with signals. Like, for example, with the teachings and with the, with pretty much the series that I'm going to be launching, I will be giving one free signal. One free signal. And that's where I was talking about on the Telegram. We're going to open up the chats so that we'll have dialogue on that fundamental analysis, because I don't want to only give my fundamental analysis. I would like to hear your fundamental analysis on that signal for that week. Each week will have its own free signal. It's embedded into the education. It's a really good series, and I really encourage you guys to be part of it. I'll make it accessible to different economic levels of folks out there. And let's make it happen, because it's going to happen with or without us. But if you stay ahead of the curve, then you can prepare yourself before these deadlines that they have. Because there's certain deadlines that they have before they start to implement a lot of these things. And it's happening fast. If it's already 2026 and I still have 2020 in my memory as though it happened yesterday. Okay? So with all of this trauma that they're inflicting on the populace, the societies around the world, people are going to start to change in their mental state. They will. And if you want to stay ahead and make sure that you even have some kind of mental well-being by being able to bring yourself to a place financially, understanding what's going to happen in society way ahead of time so you can be ahead of the curve, then take this course. Take the course. I said I'm going to have some of the course is going to be for free, because I believe in that. But I'm also running a business, so I can't have everything for free. So the next tier, I'll give you guys the price. I'm looking at anywhere from $8 to $10, somewhere along those lines. I'll figure that out. I'll get with my partner. We'll figure that out. But the signals, we're keeping that price at $30. I'm not doing account management right now. I can't. And I'm sorry. I know some of you guys don't even want to learn signals. You don't want to learn the course. The only thing I could tell you is this. I don't know what's going on in your life, and I don't know why you would not want to invest in your mind for wiser returns. That's the whole slogan of WIN University Online. Invest in your minds for wiser returns. Only winners invest in their minds for wiser returns. That's why I say that. Because if you got to really look at that phrase, I'm going to go into a teaching of that. I might as well. I'll interweave that teaching into this first series because I got to get this first series out because I've already got it all inside myself. And I want to make sure that all of you guys that are going to be receptive, that are going to have your cups ready for me to pour in and fill your cup, because my cup is overflowing right now. I'm not saying that in any kind of bragging or prideful way. I'm saying that to let you know that I'm willing to give you all this information and show you the trades. We're going to follow the MyFX book so you can see the trades going up. I just reopened an account that I forgot about. It's a demo account. Yeah. Use the same principle with the real account. I'll have the real account up there too. But it's the same principle. It's the Forex Helper strategy. Okay? And I'm going to have to, I'm going to have to be on TikTok for now because I'm not really having a great relationship with Meta. I don't know what's going on with Meta over there, but we're going to talk about that. I can't even talk about some of these things. This is where we are. These algorithms will pick up on everything you're saying. And soon they're going to start to pick up on what you're not saying. They're going to start reading between the lines. So I will have the next video out. I'm going to try to have these videos out every day, which means I'm going to have one long sit and record and put everything on one track and then cut it up and put it out there like. Okay, so I said I won't have these videos too long. I know I get a little bit animated. I get passionate because I'm very passionate about this. This is the time, guys. So I'll be showing you, it will be show and tell. I'm not going to just be telling you. I'm going to have show and tell, just like you do in class. I'll have you see the MyFX book so that we could see the progress of these accounts. I'm not going to sit here and try to convince everybody and anybody. It's just if you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. I'm going to leave it like that. But that's it for now. And remember, only winners invest in their minds for wiser returns.